Hello, and welcome to the first video in our Xero How-To series. Throughout the series, we will be using the demo company, which you can also activate to practice with if you have an active Xero account. In this video, you will be guided through the very basics of Xero Accounting Software, learning how to navigate its menu system and how to personalize your dashboard to quickly see the most relevant information to you and your business. Finding your way around Xero is relatively straightforward. An update to the navigation menus in November 2018 saw it categorised into 5 headings. Business, which can be used to access your invoicing, sales and expenses information. Accounting, which holds your bank account information and where all reports are generated. Payroll displays your business payroll obligations as well as a place to track your employees' holiday. Contacts, providing you information regarding your customers and suppliers. And finally, projects. This is a relatively new feature that allows you to create and track specific projects within Xero. You can personalise what information is displayed on your Xero dashboard based on what information is most important for you and your business. By navigating to the bottom of the screen and clicking the Edit Dashboard button, you can manoeuvre or hide the displays that you want to see either more prominently or not at all. Make sure you click the Save Changes button to keep your changes. So, that's our quick look at navigating the Xero dashboard. Thank you very much for watching, and please join us for our next video when we'll be looking into managing and adding new contacts.